Let's continue with the menu. So the next item is to select an account list and show the list of accounts in the list. And we've already implemented a print list method, so we just need to pull out the account list that matches a name. And so in the menu choice, let's do P for print a list. And in our menu choices, we'll do print the list of instructor lists, and then after that we'll do print the contents of an instructor list. And so we want to add a choice here as well. So this will be P and it will print one list, so print list. And then we want to copy the code from delete because that's selecting a list. So here's the delete instructor list method. But what we're going to do instead is print instructor list. Actually, let's do print instructor list. So print instructor list. And then the code is the same up to here. So instead of removing it, we want to actually print it. So print instructor list. Oh, did we call the other one print instructor list? I think we might have. Yeah, we called that print instructor list already, so we can't call this print instructor list. So yeah, we will just call this print list, and then we're going to call print instructor list of IL. Okay, so print list there. All right, so let's run it. So let's go ahead and show the lists, and then let's go ahead and print all instructors. And let's just do it all lowercase. Okay, so there's the contents of the all instructors list. And then let's do add one, and then this will be test me, and then let's print it. And it's empty. And then let's print one that doesn't exist and not on the list. So that looks good. X to exit. Oh, we have to pick one here. So maybe that's something we want to deal with later, like have an option for skip. And let's actually do that. So I'm going to add a skip choice to the list here. And I'm going to do this for both delete and print. So this is going to be attached to this list of items at the end. Let's go ahead and add the list skip. And I'm going to do that for both of them. And then if name not equal skip, then we're going to do the rest of this. So if it is skip, then we don't do any of that. Same thing here. Okay, so let's test that out. So what's happening is that if it's sitting in the console and waiting for an action, killing it once isn't enough. You actually have to kill it twice. And you can kill it the second time by clicking on this little alien head skull icon or stopping and rerunning twice. All right, so let's go ahead and list the lists, and then let's delete a list. And I'll delete 122, and then we'll list the lists again. Oh, CIS 122. Okay, so now let's list the lists again, and 122 is not there. So let's go to delete another list, but this time I'm going to select skip, and so it returns me to the list without deleting anything. So delete CIS 121, and then list them, and then let's print a list. And if I list CIS 133Y, that works. But if I print and then skip, it doesn't do anything. Okay, good.